Hi y'all, so today I'm doing a completely different video. I've never vlogged before and I've been doing YouTube for 5 years, so I just wanted to see how that goes. So today I'm going to be doing laundry, and doing laundry in New York is a thing, okay? It's kind of annoying. Like, I don't look forward to doing laundry. It's not even the fact that I have to wash clothes and fold them. It's the fact that I have to go outside my house to another location to do laundry and just lug it all outside and bring it all back. Like, it's just annoying. I cannot wait till we are blessed with a house that holds a washer and dryer. I'm gonna be so thankful, and a dishwasher. But anyway, that's totally besides the point. But I wanted to do more vlogs because I feel like they're kind of interesting, and yeah, so we'll see how this one goes. So to sort my laundry, I literally just dump everything out on the floor and I turn everything inside out from now, so I don't have to do it at the laundry. It just saves me more time. So I'm just gonna separate my lights, my darks, and my whites. All right, so I just finished sorting everything. These are my husband's clothes, his colors, his whites, and my colors. I used to wash our colored clothes together, but not anymore since he works out every day. I don't want his sweat all up in, I don't want to mix him. So I just wash his clothes separately. This is the hamper that I use. I got it for a wedding gift from I think it was from Bed Bath & Beyond. I like it because it has two separate sections, so you could separate your whites and your colors as soon as you toss them in the hamper. So that's done. And now I'm just going to put this stuff in a bag. I'm on my way to the laundromat, and I'm hoping that since it's the middle of the week and early in the morning that no one is going to be there, but honestly, there's no guarantee. I feel like the laundromat is always packed regardless of the time that I go. When I first moved to the area that I'm in, I had to go laundromat shopping because not all laundromats in New York are created equal. Like, I had to find one that, wasn't dingy, that I could tell that they keep the place really clean, they keep the machines clean, because, yeah. So I'm so glad that I found one that's fairly close to my house. Honestly, in New York, there are laundromats in every corner. This vlog thing is so new to me. Like, I've always wanted to do it, but I was always like, I don't really do anything. I don't go nowhere like that, so what is there really to vlog? But I guess people find this type of content interesting, so I'm here to deliver that content for you guys, and hopefully it'll help you in some way, shape, or form, whether it's by entertainment or, whatever. I'm not making eye contact with you. It's obviously because I'm driving, and I'm probably gonna have to get one of those tripods that you put on your dashboard eventually, because right now you're just sitting in front of my speedometer. Is that what it's called? why. This is why y'all can't be here. I'm really happy that I came at the time that I did, because there's literally like maybe 5 people here, which never really happens. So I came at the perfect time. There's so many dryers. There's so many free washing machines. Thank you, Jesus. I just came back in my car because I don't really like eating. Really, garbage truck? I don't really like eating in there. So I'm just going to eat my snack, drink some of my water, probably scroll on social media to kill some time until, is it raining? Kill some time until it's time to take my clothes out of the wash and throw them in the dryer. I forgot to show you what I was using to wash my clothes, but I use Pur Home, and I really, really love their products. And it lathers up really good. You don't need a lot at all. Like, I use maybe half of a cap for my clothes and 1 whole cap for my husband's clothes, and everything just suds up how I like it to. The clothes smell really good after I take them out to wash, so I highly recommend them. I also have their oxygen whitener. It has brightened up my whites really well, so I love that. I don't even think I need bleach really, but I just keep it on hand just in case. Yeah, so I was using this for a while too. This is, oh my god, this is True. This is also a Black owned business, and I liked their detergent as well, but I prefer Pure because they have different scents, non-artificial scents. I want my clothes to smell like something, but I also don't want the dye in it, so that's why I went for Pur Home, because they have lavender, they have grapefruit, they have a whole bunch of other natural scents that, you know, just appealed to me more. So that's why I got them, and I like it. This is what I used. It is 50 fluid ounces, and you don't need a lot. They come in refillable, so I'm going to keep this packaging until it starts looking busted up, and I'm just gonna buy the refill and just fill it up back in here. It's made out of cardboard, so it's really good for the environment. I just love the brand, period. Like, their products are really good. I can't wait to get more of them. But yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna chill, eat my snack, scroll on social media, and I will be back in a couple minutes.
Back home now, and I just have to fold some of my clothes and hang up some of the ones that are still wet. I don't like to dry all of my clothes, especially the ones that I'm trying to like maintain the quality of them, because I feel like dryers just make your clothes look dull and like linty after a while. So there are just certain things that I just don't like to dry. I would rather hang them up.
I think I'm gonna wrap up this video at this point. I put my laundry away, everything is clean. I'm about to go make dinner. I need to make myself lunch because I'm starving. All I had today was that banana. But I'm gonna wrap up this video and I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. If this is the type of content that you want to see, leave a thumbs up so I know that you guys actually like it, or leave a comment because this is fun. Like, I'm still trying to get the angles right and make sure I'm looking where I'm supposed to look. And, you know, it's a whole learning process for me, but it's pretty fun and I enjoy it. So if it's something that you want to see, please let me know. I don't think there's anything else I have to say except thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. I don't know what type of content I'm putting out next, but I'll see you in my next video.